What if I told you that artificial intelligence isn't just reshaping big tech companies, but it's also creating brand new opportunities for everyday people to build passive income and side hustles from scratch? Not in 10 years, not in 5 years, but right now in 2025. Whether you're in the United States, the UK, Canada, or Australia, AI is unlocking doors to wealth that used to be reserved for insiders and industry experts. And in this video, we're diving deep into how AI is transforming the world of side hustles, the opportunities, the risks, the real strategies you can use, and how ordinary people are already cashing in. Now, let's set the stage. For decades, side hustles meant driving Uber, delivering food, or selling items online. They were real, but they often required trading hours for dollars. But AI has shifted the equation. Instead of being limited by your time or physical effort, AI side hustles allow you to leverage automation, machine learning, and digital tools to scale far beyond what one person could ever do alone. Think of it as multiplying yourself without burning out. Take, for example, digital content. In the past, if you wanted to build a YouTube channel or start a blog, you had to spend hours writing, editing, and optimizing. Today, AI tools can help you research trending topics, generate first drafts, create images or videos, and even optimize SEO in minutes. What used to take weeks can now be done in a single afternoon. The people who understand this shift are the ones building audiences fast, monetizing through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. And it's not just theory. In the US, thousands of new creators are entering finance, tech, and lifestyle niches, competing toe-to-toe with bigger players because AI has lowered the barrier to entry. But content is only one piece of the puzzle. Let's talk about e-commerce. Dropshipping used to be notorious for razor-thin margins and a ton of manual work. Now, AI tools are helping sellers find trending products faster, write high-converting product descriptions, run ads more efficiently, and even predict which items are about to take off. Platforms like Shopify and Amazon are embedding AI natively, meaning small players in Canada or Australia can compete with global brands by being smarter, not bigger. And here's the twist. The best sellers aren't using AI to replace themselves, but to multiply their time. A single person can now run what used to be a 5-person operation. Then there's freelancing and consulting. If you've ever thought about starting a side hustle as a graphic designer, a copywriter, or a social media manager, AI is the ultimate co-pilot. Tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Canva AI are creating stunning visuals. Copywriting assistants like ChatGPT can help craft persuasive ad campaigns. Video editing, something that used to take days, can now be automated with tools like Runway AI. Instead of charging low rates and working around the clock, freelancers are using AI to deliver projects faster, scale their portfolios, and earn more while working less. But here's where it gets truly fascinating. Entirely new industries are being born. Think about AI chatbots as customer service reps. Businesses in the US are paying individuals to design and customize AI bots for their websites, saving thousands in staffing costs. Or consider AI-powered tutoring, personalized learning assistants that help students study math, coding, or languages. Side hustlers are creating niche bots, licensing them, and generating recurring subscription income. That's not just a gig, that's scalable passive income. Of course, with every opportunity comes risk, and this is where most people get it wrong. They assume AI will do everything for them. But the truth is, AI is only as powerful as the human guiding it. For example, if you use AI to start an online store but don't understand your target market, you'll fail just as quickly as before. If you start a YouTube channel but don't know what content connects emotionally with viewers, AI can't fix that. The winners in this space aren't the people who blindly rely on AI, but those who treat it as a multiplier of their human insight. Let's zoom in on real numbers. According to a recent US survey, over 60% of Gen Z and millennials are experimenting with side hustles. In 2025, the most profitable AI-assisted hustles reported average monthly incomes ranging from $1,500 to $7,000 depending on scale. Content creation monetized with AI video editing and script writing tools is averaging $2,000 per month for beginners who stay consistent. AI-assisted e-commerce sellers are reporting margins that are 30 to 40% higher than traditional sellers because of smarter targeting. And freelancers using AI tools are increasing output so dramatically that some are doubling their income without increasing their workload.
Globally, the numbers are similar. In the UK and Australia, creators using AI to make niche podcasts and YouTube channels are reaching audiences that rival traditional media outlets. In Canada, e-commerce entrepreneurs are leveraging AI for bilingual markets, generating international sales with localized product descriptions written in seconds. The opportunities are not limited by geography anymore, only by imagination. Now, let's talk strategy. If you're serious about using AI to build a side hustle, you need to follow a simple three-phase approach. Phase 1 is exploration. Test multiple AI tools and industries, content, e-commerce, freelancing, and see what feels natural. Don't marry the first hustle you try. Phase 2 is specialization. Once you find a model that works, double down. Build systems, create a brand, and leverage AI to streamline operations. Phase 3 is scale. This is where you stop trading hours for dollars and start building assets. A YouTube channel with recurring ad revenue, an e-commerce brand with repeat customers, or a subscription-based AI service that grows while you sleep. And here's a little discussed secret. The biggest wealth in AI side hustles doesn't come from being the most talented, but from being early and consistent. Think back to the early days of the internet. Those who built blogs, YouTube channels, or online stores before it became mainstream are the ones who built fortunes. We're at a similar moment with AI right now. It's 2025, and 5 years from now, today's experiments could be tomorrow's empires. But let's address the elephant in the room. Isn't AI replacing jobs? Yes, some jobs are being disrupted. Routine data entry, basic customer support, even some design work is being automated. But history shows us that every technological revolution, from the printing press to the internet, destroys some jobs while creating even more new ones. The question isn't whether AI will replace jobs, but whether you will position yourself to leverage it instead of compete against it. The difference between being disrupted and being empowered lies in your decision to act now. Think about this. A person in New York uses AI to create and sell digital planners on Etsy, generating $4,000 a month. Meanwhile, someone in Sydney is building AI-generated stock footage libraries that sell on platforms like Shutterstock. In Toronto, an entrepreneur is running AI-powered TikTok and YouTube channels in multiple languages, monetizing audiences worldwide. And in London, consultants are offering AI strategy services to small businesses, charging retainers that rival full-time salaries. These aren't futuristic case studies. They're happening right now, today. So, where do you begin? Start with your strengths. If you're a communicator, AI can help you scale content. If you love data, AI can help you dominate e-commerce. If you're creative, AI can supercharge your design or freelancing work. And if you're entrepreneurial, building AI-powered services can give you recurring income. Don't chase every shiny new tool. Instead, focus on the intersection of what AI does best and what you naturally enjoy. That's where sustainable side hustles are born. As we wrap up, I want you to remember one thing. The AI revolution is not a spectator sport. You can either watch others build new streams of income, or you can join the wave yourself. The tools are accessible, the markets are wide open, and the potential for wealth creation is unlike anything we've seen in decades. Whether you're in the US, the UK, Canada, or Australia, the time to act is now. So, here's my challenge to you. Don't just watch this video and move on. Pick one AI-driven side hustle idea, test it, learn from it, and commit to it for 90 days. Track your progress, refine your strategy, and share your journey. You'll be surprised at how quickly things compound. And who knows, That small experiment could be the start of financial freedom. If you found this video valuable, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Wealth Hub for more in-depth breakdowns, and share this with a friend who's ready to build their future. Because the AI revolution isn't waiting, and neither are you.